Hello guys, this is my update for my coughing. So I will explain you. My coughing started February 1, 2022. It's got some like that. I noticed something weird. And then when I was spit it out, it's like a sticky. That's when I first started. And then my nose running and my eyes like you just cry something, my head is hurt. And second day I just stay in bed, didn't eat, just my remedy is stay at home, find a one to home remedy. So my thing is lay down and drink a lot of fluids, and I take some garlic. It's a gel capsule, so I take in a morning I take two. It's a gel and about one vitamin C, and in the evening I take garlic gel two, so that will be four in a day take gel. So I have my warm water and one lime and a honey and a green tea pouch. You mix it up, and then that's the one you drink. When you cough, you drink it, let it wash out in your throat when you got some itchy. And what else? And drink a lot of water, so it keep flushing. So all the flush, I keep using bathroom pee, so let it wash out, take out all the something like something infection on it, something like bad stuff on your throat, like itchy, it's irritate you. So I'm well enough, thank you Lord. So nothing caused. I didn't go so the doctor. Don't take medication. Don't take pain pills. No, nothing. That's it. I'm doing. So it's very helpful. So in the second day and third day, I lay down. My body start like sore. Only want to start my body sore. My knee, my shoulder. It's sore legs, something like that, but it don't bother to me. So anyway guys, I just want to share everybody this thing so everybody can use it and nothing to cost to try it. So it's very useful. So right now I'm very well enough. And anyway, don't forget the warm water on a lime and a honey and a green tea pouch. You mix it up and you stir it up, and that's what you drink. And keep on your bed. When you cough, you drink it, sip it. When you cough, zip it, let it clear it up. So when you clear up, let it like you stay a little bit in, and then you swallow. You don't like this. You just let it in your mouth and then slowly like that. Okay. And then what else I gonna say? I forgot to say something. I forgot. So anyway, it's alcohol, not the one we wash in the hand. Alcohol is just alcohol drink. Like you put some any kind of alcohol drink, like yeah, you know about it. Alcohol, not alcohol or rubbing alcohol. So I'm trying to clarify. Maybe mistake what's alcohol. It's an alcohol drink, not for the hand wash hand alcohol. It's a drink alcohol. You can get on the what call is this, in a liquor store. It's a liquor, yeah. It's a liquor alcohol, not the alcohol I'm trying to explain, so it be misunderstanding what alcohol. So sorry about that if I didn't clarify. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm very happy. I'm well now. Kick back, ready to work, ready to go. And anyway, keep update. I have my husband's surprise gift for him, his birthday, Valentine's Day, and our anniversary. And he will be surprised. He didn't know about that. I have this is the fifth our anniversary. because it's been so long. I never been preparing whole years for him because I didn't have a side job, a little bit side job. So I save up for him to prepare this one, and I hope he will be happy and surprised, and he will be how much I love him so much forever. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.